Wow. Some of those outfits were so beautiful.
So beautiful.
So
Oh
beautiful.
my goodness.
Yeah.
Guys, the news these days is just so crazy. There's so much going on. And sometimes you don't even know if what you're reading is true or not.
There's just so much misinformation out there, you know? I was doing research for our next country, the Philippines. Yeah. I was reading all this stuff, you know, like they have a huge basketball culture. They love basketball there, which I was like, okay, cool, yeah. And then I read, I read that they are really good at producing boxers. Like, I think most people in this room has at least heard of Manny Pacquiao, you know? Great boxer. But the third thing I read, well, let me just tell you about it. It said that the Philippines is home to the most polite people in the world. And that really confused me because if you've ever met ISA Vice President Bea, you'd know that just couldn't be true. Just no way.
It's crazy how Google could just lie to you like that.
That's what I'm saying.
Like,
That's what I'm saying.
Guys, check your sources.
Check your
Make sure you
sources.
check your sources.
Really important.
But please help me welcome to the stage Bea and Amy to teach us more about Philippines. The truth. The truth.
Hi, I'm Amy. Hi, I'm Bea, and I'm from Laguna, Philippines, and we're your directors for the Philippines this year. So our dance incorporates our own modern twist on a Filipino folk dance called Tinikling, which originates from a Visayan island in the Philippines called Leyte, which is where my dad is from, and which is where I spent most of my summers growing up. So I'm very excited for this opportunity to share with you a piece of my culture.
We also just wanted to thank all of our dancers for signing up, trusting us, and making this dance as amazing as it is. We hope you enjoy.
What it is, it's shame off on your face, baby, don't get it twisted. Too bad, di ko pesan, tumabay. Dito lang kasi ko sa dibidib. Kaya nung di alam kung anong bibilin. Di na-adyo pero yung pag-angati ang bilis. This is science, I'm doing my thing. Huwag ka mag-hype, I'm just doing my thing. Think it's time when I'm doing my thing. Huwag ka mag-hype, I'm just doing my thing. Think it's time when I'm doing my thing. I'm just doing my thing. Kalma, if you wanna shake, if you wanna sige, alugin, kalma, if you wanna twerk, if you wanna come on down. Pero makakita, di na mangyayari ulit. Papayag nang di ka maupo. Yung palagabong na si ate, sobrang suabe, ang salbahe. Tignan mo, piling, para palaban, ang madami. At malakang na lang ang kailangan, tapos na kagad ang usapan. I wanna see her booty go left, cheeky by cheek, I wanna see her booty go.